3.3 because you're pressurizing from the upstream.
But there is another way to go because 4.1 and 3.3 are not connected to the same valve on MP21. So they are going there separately.
But the source is same here, yeah?
Yes.
You are pushing certain load from the BAB CDS side.
Okay.
Okay. Now 3.3 and the 4.1 both are running. 3.3 due to some reason closes.
Okay.
Now the path is only 4.1 for the upstream fluid. It keep pushing.
Okay.
Even in 3.3, it can go higher pressure than 75.
It's already covered in our flow assurance study, and in that case, we don't have an issue. If correct me if I'm wrong, Abdurrahman. In case of 4.2, if both are running and we have a blockage.
No, I know. Both are running fine. Both are running fine.
No.
Now both are running.
And we have a blockage in one of them.
3.3
is shut down. Yes, no problem, no issue. The issue will happen only when I'm working with one pipeline, not two.
No, in this case, it will be only one pipeline. What I'm telling is, see, try to understand here. From CDS side, we are taking the fluid to the both trunk line towards MP21.
Okay.
Yeah? MP21 at the receiver, you have shutdown valve.
Yes.
For 3.3.
Okay.
Due to some reason, that shutdown valve closed.
Okay.
At MP21.
Okay.
Now this entire trunk line up to MP21 shutdown valve, it will pressurize.
Yes.
Because from the upstream, you are feeding it.
But 3.1 is still running with a difference in can say capacity and different in pressure profile, and the issue will be below. Yes, there will be a pressure rise, but the issue will be below the design pressure of our pipeline. So that's why I'm saying there is no issue in that scenario. The scenario is only happens when one of them is running and there is a blockage. So there is no flow to go out. This is the issue. If there is another destination, no issue. Okay.
But in case operational, we say that it is an operational case.
Okay.
So that will be under operator action. 4.1 if he is closing, then he can ramp down our 3.3.
Yes, he will ramp.
Then there will be no.
If he ramp it,
after that shutdown wall closing.
Yeah.
So that is the only case.
Okay. Can you define initiating event in one line? Because I want to define it.
Yeah.
Okay. Blockage on 3.3, and then between brackets.
While 4.1 not running.
Exactly.
Okay, there is a certain
We got that penalty.
Certain blockage on 3.3 pipe trunk line. Pipeline.
Means SDV in the 3.1
is